Oh. Yo!
No!
Yo! What the heck? Just come out of the... What? Been doing daily incense for 2 weeks, not even one bird. It also depends on how much you're putting into the daily incense. I've been extending mine for an hour, and this is the first bird. Let's go! This is the first bird of the daily incense today. We caught it in a Pokeball. Let's go. And, hey, 15 attack. That's pretty cool. Let's go. W, shiny. Only speaking give code streamer. Oh, no, I do? Oh, I don't do 2 for 2. Could you imagine? Dude, could you imagine if I went 2 for 2? Holy, dude. Okay. It reset, but we still hit the great. One didn't even shake. And goodbye. It was 29.96, so I am not surprised. Dude, third Zappy today. Come on. There's no way! There's no way! Oh, yo. Oh my god. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. 2 shinies and 1 smoke, but insane. Oh, there we go. Finally. Let's go. We caught it. Come on. It's weather boosted. Another 15 attacker. I'll take it. But dude, what? 2 shiny Zapdos in a day and 3 Zapdos overall. That is insane. W day. Those are nearly identical. They're 1 IV off. That's funny. Ooh, Floette's kind of fun. Dude, no way. First Moltres today. Come on. Do I do it? Do I do it though? Come on. No. How crazy would have that been? Attack. Oh, there he goes. Bang. Excellent. 1. And goodbye. Well, at least I hit the excellent, right?